Fast Heat was founded in 1957 by John Stoika Sr. The company grew from a successful elements and sensors business to a leader in hot runner systems and controls for the injection molding industry. Manny Diaz joined Fast Heat in 1994 as the Senior Engineering Electronic Technician in the Controls Department, eventually becoming the Supervisor of Controls, then Supervisor of Controls Operations, and finally, Operations Manager. Chad Root joined Fast Heat in 2003 as a Hot Runner System and Controls Regional Sales Manager for Ohio and Michigan. He became General Manager of these business units in 2005 and led the sales and marketing program for Controls until 2009. Fast Heat sold the Elements and Sensors business unit to Tutco in 2008. Manny further expanded on Fast Heat's vision of innovation in control by inventing the Mold X Checker and Cable X Checker, while also iterating the original Pulse One controller into the Ion controller with a modern touchscreen and Modbus RTU display communication. Chad returned as an independent representative in 2019. In December 2020, it was clear that it was time to update some of the products and business infrastructure. We recognize this as an opportunity to ensure our clients' continued service and support for many years. Consequently, Chad and Manny founded Spark Industries, LLC, and acquired the remaining Fast Heat product lines. Fast Heat control technology is the heart of future innovation and sustainable support for our Hot Runner control product lines. This firmware platform incorporates a control algorithm that pulses power in 8.33 millisecond segments as directed by an adaptive PID table. The behind-the-scenes calculations are the secret to our highly stable temperature control while reducing peak kilowatt demand by up to 67%. This control technology is surrounded by simple and practical features such as automatic moisture bakeout, even soak sequential tool startup, group management, soak timer, boost, idle, zone slaving, max percentage power control, instant tool diagnostics, recipe storage, VNC viewer, and I/O. Our Pulse Hot Runner controller underwent a display upgrade in the spring of 2021. The new 10.1-inch liquid crystal high-resolution touchscreen offers an Ethernet port for VNC viewer functionality and a USB port for saving screenshots. This upgrade was true to our commitment to backward compatibility and flexibility for future updates. Our Fast Heat Pulse Hot Runner controller is undergoing a CPU board update that includes the latest processor technology and consolidates many components from the existing design. This update ensures our ability to source board components competitively for many years. It's also much faster, has a micro USB for firmware uploads, and 100 megabits per second TCP/IP. Stay up to date on company news, product updates, and shared best practices at fastheatbyspark.com/enews.